Imagine a world where waiting lists for transplants are obsolete. That's the promise of 3D bioprinting. The process begins with cells. These cells, often stem cells, are harvested and then cultivated to increase their numbers. Next up, a bio-ink is created, a mixture of these cells and a supportive gel-like substance. It's this ink that is carefully deposited layer by specialized printers. As each layer is added, a full organ, from kidneys to hearts, slowly takes shape. Today, while fully functional printed organs for transplantation are still on the horizon, we've made leaps. Skin grafts for burn victims, bladder patches, and even vascular structures have been printed and successfully transplanted into patients. Furthermore, printed mini-organs, or organoids, are in labs worldwide, playing pivotal roles in drug testing and disease modeling. The vision is clear: organs tailored to individual patients, reducing transplant rejection risks.